Alright, so Banggood send this thing out. New tool in the shop. So I've gone ahead and I've unboxed all this, and well, it looks pretty cool. It looks like we might be able to make something here. So this is I guess what you would call a little DIY attachment. That's what it's actually called on their site. And well, the thing about this is it's supposed to fit a grinder or angle grinder with, I think this is an M12. So yeah, I'm gonna have to make something out of this, or I will have to make my own attachment. Alright, so I just got off the lathe here, and what I actually did was I drilled this piece out that came with the kit, and then I retapped it for a 5/8 thread. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all together now, and well, let's see what we come up with. Alright, let's see how that looks. Alright. And by the way, this is a Porter cable grinder, so I'm thinking that this kit is universal. I'm not sure though, but I did have to remove all the cover or my shield, dust shield that goes on the grinder itself, but I mean, it fits on there pretty good, and you can kind of change the angle there. So I'll leave it right there, and then I'll go ahead and tighten this clamp that's here. All right. Alright, that looks good. I'll just go ahead and put the little dust shield here. Nice. That's pretty cool. So it does have an adjuster here, and you can adjust that belt right into the center line there. So let's see how that looks. Well, all there is left to do now is the demonstration, so let's get to that. Wow, that's pretty nice. Alright, so that was the Banggood or the Drillpro band file belt sander. So there you go, just to give you an idea what it comes with. There'll be more information in the description box down below. But I found it to be quite useful. I did do a demonstration on that wood, and it came out really nice and smooth. I did a couple of steel pieces. I did the table. Off camera, I did this bearing. It was really full of rust, and I was able to take all that stuff off, and it came out really nice. I like it. I really like that tool. But yeah, I mean, that'll come in handy here in the shop. So I want to go ahead and thank Banggood for sending that out to demonstrate for you guys. And well, anything else, any information, remember, check the description box down below. They do include extra or angles here for the attachment there, so that's pretty cool. And they do include the tool to take this off, the adapter, which is installed for it's a dust remover, so you can hook up your shop vac or any type of vacuum onto this and just take off all that or suck up all the crap. Anyways, I want to go ahead and thank everybody who watched this video, all my new subscribers, old subscribers, everybody who's viewing these videos. And well, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.